Hi guys, how are you? Here is a very interesting question. Here there is a 2-vinyl tetrahydrothiophene which is treated with an allyl iodide and potassium tertiary butoxide. Then this compound is formed. So what type of reaction is this? Ramberg-Backlund, 2,3 sigma tropic, 3,3 sigma tropic or Pomeranian rearrangement? This question came in NET 2017 June exam. So first we will see the mechanism of this reaction and then we determine what type of reaction is this. What will happen if it is treated with allyl iodide? Here sulfur has a lone pair of electron and it is a good nucleophile. So it will attack at this iodide and for an SN2 or SN2 prime, whatever you can say, will occur. So this will be formed. This is sulfonium salt, and then if it is treated with potassium tertiary butoxide TBU O minus, then what will happen? Here acidic protons are there. These protons are acidic, but between these three, this is more acidic. So it will preferentially abstract this proton, and the corresponding anion will be formed. Now this is a sulfonium halide. This sulfonium halide can undergo a rearrangement like this. So the product is here. You can see that if it is attack here, then a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 member ring will be formed, and sulfur with the neighboring carbon will carry this group, allyl group, vinyl group, because this carbon will be incorporated into this ring, so there will be a vinyl group here, and the double bond will come 1 2 3 at 3 carbon, so 1 2 3 here. So this is the product. Now you can see here that here this sigma bond is migrating between these. So here 1 2 1 2 3, so there is a 2 3 sigma migration occurring here. So it is a 2 3 sigma migration. So it is a 2 3 sigma tropic rearrangement. So this reaction is a 2 3 sigma tropic rearrangement. This reaction also known as Thias-Steven rearrangement. In Thias-Steven rearrangement, a compound like this, we can draw this in another way, this mechanism in another way. Now this anion will undergo resonance because this is a 2-degree anion, it is a 1-degree anion. So 1-degree carbon anion is more stable than 2-degree, so the negative charge will preferentially come into this position. Now this negative charge will attack into this sulfur, so the same will happen, 8 member ring will be formed, and at 2 position there will be a vinyl group 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and double bond will be here. So this will be the product. This is known as Thias-Steven rearrangement. Thias-Steven's rearrangement. This is analogous to Stevens rearrangement. Stevens rearrangement. In Stevens rearrangement, what will happen? There will be a quaternary ammonium salt, let's say CH3, CH2, R1, R2, R3, quaternary ammonium salt. If it is treated with a base, then what will happen? A preferentially abstract one proton from alpha carbon and a nitrogen halide will formed. Now from this halide, what will happen? This group will leave. Now it will attack into this carbon, and this type of rearrangement reaction will occur. This reaction is known as Stevens rearrangement. Stevens rearrangement. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.